Kala ko ganito tapos may itatagdag pa na iba.
Wala na, ganyan lang. Pero at least ano ipapakita? Maganda ng kuha nila dito actually, diba? I had the mango juice. Let's put it here. Oh, mas creamy ito. So this is the real mango.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
Yung mga nasa taas nila, I just wanna take a look at it because it's beautiful. Love it. Tumaba na talaga tayo. I really like the color. Not that one.
You like the mango? You like the mango?
Isn't it true? Use only one napkin at a time means less waste and less negative impact on the environment, and which is right. It's beautiful na. I feel like I don't want to eat it because they're beautiful, colorful. See that? Ooh, grabe ah. Ayun yung sauce niya. Merong beef. Oh, is that, what is it? Kasi may chicken, may beef, may cheese, ground beef, and then the colored greens, yung beans. Nakasama ang kamay. Green, kung yata yan, beans.
Is beans or is this
Sausawan. So look at. So ang pagkain nila dito, kakamayin mo. Ganito. Ewan ko. Basta pili ka na lang kung anong gusto mong kainin. Not very good. That is very good.
Let's do this one.
Look at this one. Ano na? Ay, nahulog. Pagkain ko yun. Pulutin mo tali, kainin ko. Sayang eh, ba mong sayangan? Ang ganda-ganda pa naman. Kamayan ha. Colored greens with chicken. Don't worry folks, naghugas kami ng kamay. Naghugas kami ng kamay kahapon.
Hugas kami ng kamay last week.
Ano ba yan? Huwag mo nang sabihin ganyan, mamaya maniwala sila. Kamayan. I like the sibuyas. Ganyan kung kumain sila, wala silang kutsara at tinidor. Basta kunin mo na lang sa kamay mo. Tsaka ito, pagka tinapay nila. And I like the colored greens. And they have salad as well. Ang tugtog nila, oh.
Romantic.
Ang galing, oh. Hindi ko na kailangan ng background music.
Magaling ka tanong kung gusto ko tsara. Kaya nila akan natawa mo sa tsara niya.
Datoy? Mabalin lata? Ang dami pala, oh. Putulin mo na yung tinapay mo. Ang ganda ng pagkakaluto. Ang ganda ng pagkain nila. Makulay. Kasla din nalanan ko.
Sa tornado.
Kasla din nalanan tornado. Masarap kasi good, it's good. Yung meat nila. Buong egg pala yan. Oh. Oh, kinamay, hatiin. Paano? Oh, itlog. Oh. Naamoy ko na, parang utot. Yum. Joke, joke, joke. But this one is the best that I like here. Their bread. Lang ng Colin. That's Josh. Kuya.
Hello. What? No. Why? Ang mga nagasa kasi ikaw na.
Ano nagasang? Wala na. Dahil sa naubos, uminom ka naman ngayon ng tubig. Hindi pa tapos si Daddy. Linisin pa muna niya yan. Oh, para walang masayang. Busog tayo. So thanks for watching, folks. That's all for today. Busog, busog. Alright. Tama na. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Glenda Life Journey USA.